Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt and tensioner on a V8 engine. Some vehicles have a belt routing diagram inside the engine compartment, which can be helpful when you're changing your belt. If your vehicle doesn't have this, just draw a quick diagram before you take the belt off. On this engine, the tensioner is right here. Bolts on with this bolt, then has the pulley down here. So first, you need to take off the belt. You might have some trouble running into the fan with your tools, but you should be able to get enough space in here to work. Let's put your socket on the bolt on the pulley. On this it's a 15mm. And then you need to turn the entire thing to the left. It should be pretty obvious because if I turned it this way, it would push into the belt more. This way will loosen it. So, loosen the tension, and then remove the bolt from all the pulleys. With the belt off, you can compare it to the new belt. Hold both belts together and stretch them out to their full length, and they should be about the same size. Now I can move the tensioner. On this one, it is a 17mm. There's actually a nut on the back side of the bolt that you may need to hold with another socket or a wrench. Now this bolt needs to transfer to the new tensioner. Now this new tensioner looks a little different than the old one, but it's for this vehicle and this engine. Get the little protrusion in the hole on the bracket. Stick the bolt through. And put the nut on the back side. And now put the new belt on. Make sure you route it correctly according to the diagram. If you can keep tension on the belt as you route it around, you'll keep it from falling off the other pulleys, which is the main thing that makes doing belts hard. Alright, now I have it around all the pulleys except the alternator here, so now I can turn the tensioner to release the tension and slip the belt on. On this new tensioner, this is an 18mm. Get the belt on, slowly release the tension, and you're done. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.